I still remember in India, we have one surgical doctor, heart surgical. He had operated more than 20,000 surgery of this open heart surgery for the bypass, everything. Eventually, he prescribed the accents, this thing. He told me that the more he operate, the more the patient coming in, and those patients after operate, sometimes after 6 months, after 7 months, come back again with the same problem again. So that he become very fatigued, become very tired. But with Ganoderma, he said easily half of the patient do not need to go through operation anymore, because Ganoderma can clear the blockage. And the good thing is that those patients, they take a lot of Ganoderma before operation. After operation, never come back. They mean their body can maintain in a good situation. That's why Ganoderma is very important to the modern life. Because modern life are full of toxins, no? And our body are because of the lack of nutrients, the many parts of the body do not function properly. And with Ganoderma, we detox the body, we balance back, so they become a perfect food.